Run your whole shop in one file. Open the file in the morning, and the command center shows your whole shop on a single screen. Revenue, gross profit, cash on hand, who owes you, and what you owe suppliers, all rolled up automatically. Best of all, a list of tasks to handle today: low stock, overdue customers, and debts coming due. Now let's sell an order. Just pick the customer, the SKU, and the quantity. Leave the unit price blank to use the list price, and the gross profit is calculated right there on the row. Over in inventory, the earbuds you just sold have already been deducted. You never retype a thing. When a customer pays, you write just one line in the cash book, pick the customer, and enter the amount. Back to the command center, cash on hand goes up, receivables go down, and the tasks to handle shrink too. Enter one line, and inventory, debt, and reports all stay in sync. No double entry, no mismatched numbers. Scan the code to explore more templates at SmartITSoft.com.